From there, we can go ahead and get started. Now, mongoDB does offer RAG as well, so there's so many things you can do with this here. I'm going to sign up with Google. We'll accept and submit. Amazing. So we'll go through the steps here. What is your primary goal? Well, build a project I have in mind. How long have you been developing? I'll say more than a year. And what programming languages are you comfortable with? I'll go ahead and choose Node.js. What type of data would you like to submit? Let's do vector embeddings. And for this option, we'll say AI ML enriched. So let's go ahead and hit the finish button. Awesome. So we can name our cluster secretary AI. Now, hopefully that name isn't taken. By the way, hit the free because that's all you need for this. The only one I see that doesn't charge you is usually AWS. But if you have one that you like to particularly use, you can try that out. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click Create Deployment. Awesome. So it's given us a password as well as a username. I'll go ahead and create a database user. Additionally, we'll choose a connection method. Drivers. It's going to let us know how to install mongoDB, but we actually don't need that right about now. We're going to hit the done button. Now, just to make things easier, ahead and head over to network access. For the IP, we want to allow access from anywhere. And we're not going to make that temporary, but that will make our process less complicated. So next thing we're going to do is click on clusters, and we'll go ahead and configure our database.